so you can show the work.
Yeah, what in the house then if I want.
Not that good, man. Not good, sir. Let's turn on your face.
Hmm?
Turn on. All right. This is the great artist. We are in Jamaica live.
Jamaica in the house.
All right. So this is from Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica, coming to you live. This is Andy Valentine, the great Jamaican artist,
World renowned.
world renowned
World
artist,
renowned artist.
live. All right.
Yeah, that's one
No, let's turn it a little bit.
You have to buy everything. Yeah. Oh, the pinto. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, need not. So them not give. So them not give transport. Oh, yeah. Oh, so yeah. Yeah, comfortable. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright, yeah, man. And Raga there, you know. Yeah, man. Raga there, do some video and thing on me right now. No man, I make you tell him man. You mean tell him man, tell him man. When you tell him man, you're on the phone. You tell him man. Hold on.
Yo.
Big boss.
Yo, where's that?
Big boss lager.
Oh, sir Fullerton, What's up, sir?
I'm going to tell you about it.
Yeah. Okay, it's been a while I don't see you, sir. Yeah. We have a couple more weeks still.
Can't you ever see money? So you can choose them up.
Yeah, man. You have time, man. You just call on them. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice seeing from your side. It's been a while. Alright, so we link up. So full.
Finish?
You don't talk to him?
Yeah, man. You don't do your business, man. You know where to find me anymore.
So you want to say something about this? I'm not going to try so I can find royalty-free music. Alright, this thing needs some music. I need to find royalty-free music. So I go channel on the video.
One thing we do so many people don't understand what it is. Yeah. People come in, one time there and video, people come out video me.
Yeah.
Then just people that want to live more. Just some regular people. Whenever you understand the depths of something. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And most time you have to go there and call them and say, watch out. Just give me 10 minutes and then we can do it. Make up on them. And then just find out say, understand them.
Yeah.
Like, you don't want to talk about it. No, like, they don't know, and then they see amount of people that come.
Look on the side, this is how it look like this, alright?
Alright.
Let's turn around.
Yeah, man.
Let's see if we can find one. Let me have that one.
Load them. Load and then yeah. But otherwise, the team goes to
Yeah.
and just load them. And like them don't know, they know they're celebrity inside of it. Like them don't do nothing bad, but they just don't understand. Cool.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Send the link, and the link send. Yeah, go live.
Journalist from Canada coming over there.
Yeah.
Journalist from Canada coming over there. I made a lieutenant teach you album cover. And bring out a journalist from over. That's what we do most of the interview.
Okay.
Yeah. Right now, I forgot to call them and say, I beg them just 5 minutes.
No, man, I'm alright. Look what them are doing already, so. Share them with your share. Two minutes makes a fool alive. So they said the share it. Now do this something like this and I want to link share it. Yeah, but share. I'm not really say anything, right?
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
No, but you can say something more, you know what I mean?
What are you supposed to say?
Say something. Yeah, it's true that handball in time and the honor to get privilege to.
Okay, viewers and subscribers, this is live work from Anne Valentine's studio in Kingston, Jamaica. Yes, you're hearing right, Kingston, Jamaica. And so this is a live piece he's doing just now. So you can, if you like what you see, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. You can leave a comment. I think this is a good piece, you know, this is beautiful, you know. This is good artwork. But that's, I want to hear you guys' opinion. What you think, if this is good work. Right, Mr. Valentine? We need to hear what the viewers say.
Something can be, right?
Yeah, everybody view and see things different.
Yeah, view thing different, but I think with them type of work, you know, once you look on it, you see what it has to because now have a lot about now not deep, no, a lot to say about it more than just a portrait.
I think this is the first time I'm going live, so I'm learning about going live. I don't know much what to do, so I'm just trying my best. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to press. I'll just go live.
Tell people to tune in and watch it, right? Make them know when I come in week, I will give them a view the starting from.
Okay, yeah, so this is just like in the middle of this work. So I have videos from the beginning of the work. So if you wish to see this work from the beginning, you just subscribe, and then you will see the future video, what it was like in the beginning, what it would be like in the end. What you putting on the eyebrow now?
You just put on. This is not the real eyebrow.
Okay.
It's just gonna be a like
Placeholder.
outline of the eyebrow.
Okay. This is natural raw talent. Yes.
Forehead, you know.
Mm-hmm.
This person.
Yeah.
Round forehead. Forehead round. She have on a lot of makeup.
Okay. I don't know that's easy for you.
The thing with them painting, them type of work, you know, you have to put on the makeup. And the makeup is what?
Like all light what you do.
create the features, you know. A couple of last to be the inside the features and the feeds. Trying to get that Friday. You can't have it. Big. You know, most of the female and nowadays, you know, wear a lot of makeup.
So you made the work difficult, more difficult, or
It really make the world difficult for me, but it can't hide them true beauty,
okay.
true color. It's like, most likely, this person now when I see them in real life, they maybe not the color scheme, nothing like this.
Okay.
But as an artist,
You have enough experience to know what to do.
yeah, and trouble for it, you know. Your job enough to really tell them what good for me, but
Okay.
somebody give something to paint, and they have to just paint. You get me?
Yeah. Do your job, don't be a critic.
You got a job to be honest. You got a job. That's the problem with most artists. Got a job to be honest. Just be with it.
That's the same brush that put in when you put in the glasses, the lens in the glass. That's the same brush, or it's a certain technique brush.
Yeah. If you're skilled enough, if you're skilled enough, you can use this and finish the glasses. The finest details point, you can use it
Okay.
if you're skilled enough. But you have to. It's not the size of the brush most time, it's how you use the brush.
The skill from your head.
You mix the material. A certain way you have to mix the paint.
So you feel other artists would see this video and like it?
Yeah, man. The artists will see it and like it, yes. Because it's art. And then once them see natural talent out, you know. Okay, if it's the next artist that do this, I may see it.
You spend time out to see what they are doing.
I would like it. I spend time out to watch what other artists do because it's art. And as I tell other artists all the while, you don't have to paint. Everybody have a different way of. You have artists who can draw this. Them can paint it.
Yeah.
Right? You have artists who can paint it, but them can draw it out. So if you give them the paint, they will paint it. So, everybody have their own techniques, own style, how them deal with things. You carry down people.
Yes.
You carry down people and say why artists are not do good and if you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, you just don't like it because body paint different, you know.
Yeah. Everybody have their own style and techniques
Right.
to do their work, yeah. So
Or you want
You have to respect how people do things.
Yeah, just tear down people. That is not the role of an artist. Artists who have brush do the work. There are other artists who don't have the brush. But if they give him the work, it's a brush I mean good too.
Okay. Professional brush.
Right.
So you use what you have and create a good job.
Right, you use the you have and do a good job. You understand?
Yeah.
And then you have a next artist when I have the right tool. But yet still can create a better job than you. Yeah, I wonder no key note here, close the door. So where you bring the key from out here? Hold it. Just left the door, left key here, both stuff. Yeah, as I say, I have other artists who will get artwork, painting art totally different from other drawing it.
Okay.
Because somebody I draw a painting, it's a total different thing from draw it. You get me?
Yes. Fully understand.
Somebody I draw something with a pencil. More of a depth than the paint. You have to use that is the most important color in the world. You don't need no other color. You can use black and white and create any painting and it look accurate and look nice. Yo, you can't use a red and do that, and then green. You can't just have two color in your brush. Two color in your brush, one brush.
Okay. And you get many different shades.
Yeah, black and white are the two most strongest color in your brush. It's alone in it. You understand?
Yeah.
You don't want no more color on that. You have black and you have white. Two greatest color that you have. And you create any artwork with that. So, pencil drawing is not really difficult than painting. You just use one color.
Yep.
The artist have to mix. You get it?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's easy. Like this now, when we have to mix the gray, we have to mix the white, we have to mix the red and the yellow to give it brown, depending on shade brown. Yeah, everything is all about mixing color.
Not like you put in like sheen on the hair.
Sheen, right?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah. Let it look shine up.
Right. Everything has to, like all this now. The artist now have to mix this. If some artists are doing this, they now have to like a pencil draw. Nothing missing. You get it?
Yeah.
Just shade on the white and the black and like that. So the thing work.
Yep.
So the thing work. Then so you know criticize the next work, the next person work.
As you said before, art cannot spoil.
Right, and art can't spoil. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with you not like somebody work. But as an artist, if you ever sit down and trash out the next man's work, and I say, well, fool word that. And what is art? You know, people paint how they want to paint. You never can stop learning as an artist. So don't because you reach a stage now you say, alright.
You don't listen to people no more.
Yeah. If you sell a million work a day, there are certain things where you still not going
Show the original painting again. That's
the original.
low, bring it low. Too low now. Little bit down. Down.
Come on, they must see the photo and see the work.
Yeah, but you kind of up, liquor, up, right there. Shift it over to the female and see the male, compare the male with the, yeah. All right. So that's what he's creating in artwork. Yeah, so this is a great Andy Ballantyne. World-known artist.
And we're not paying for it. Me not really paying to please client. You know. Somebody give me work for them. Me not paying to please them. Paying to please myself. As in at the end of the day, kind of sound weird, but guess what? Why am I paying to please me? Because I know me I give them a good job. I'm not paying to please them because sometimes all them are telling you to do the work. You don't necessarily say that the right way. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, but somebody that hears say that and like, what do you mean you're not paying to please the client? You can't pay to please the client. You're paying to please yourself and the client will please. Because you know what you do. Because the client not really, if the client didn't know what she had, if the client didn't know where the money, they want to give you the work.
They will do the work.
Them that do the work themselves. So the fact that them come and give you the work, they can't make them dictate to you and tell you what to put and think that if it don't look good to you as an artist, why you gonna do it? You understand?
Yeah.
I see the colors and we're going to have to mix to get whatever I was telling you earlier.
Yeah.
So.
And a reminder, what we are doing here, this is live from Kingston, Jamaica. Artist Andy Ballantyne working live. Yes, so this is world renowned artist Andy Ballantyne doing this piece live. So if you like it, give it a like. If you don't like it,
still subscribe.
Still give it a dislike. If you want to see additional video to this piece, the beginning and what it look like in the end, just subscribe.
I want to show you the thing tricky to you know. See, I ask people to subscribe. Very thing tricky now. You maybe not subscribe to the channel, but guess what now? A 2 year or 3 year from now.
Yeah.
The same people then will never subscribe to it. You know.
Search back first. I did see this thing do live and there, yeah. So you just have to leave the thing, make it grow, you know, make it manifest by itself.
As the chronicle that say no do it for the likes. You know?
Yeah.
So when it's much younger than the art world,
Yeah.
that's what somebody teach me. This is what a client, not a client, this was a gallery owner. She said, Andy, listen to me. Every art have a buyer. Every piece of art have a buyer.
Okay, so there's a buyer for every piece of art.
Yeah. So me I tell you, say, it's just like a YouTube channel. That with people already. Just farming here and there. Everything probably have somebody fit. If you make cup, you don't need to rush it. Just make the cup and in the best way you have ability you can make it.
There'll be a great seller over a period of time.
And the buyer out there for the cup. Everything where you see, we as human beings do on this piece of earth. There's somebody out there to consume it. You see a channel where you have people maybe not consume it now. But they might be sorry they may consume it because guess what now? You have one of the world's greatest living artists on it right now, do a live painting where you can where other people would have want that opportunity. So you know it's only Valentine paint on my channel. You understand?
Yeah.
So you believe in a way I do. Just keep doing what you do. And trust me, the right people are gonna come along. You understand?
I surely understand. You know, everything take time.
Yeah, just like a man, I wait for people, you know. I remember telling you something. Let me see. I was at a client house in the state. I do some work for her. And she have one of them, she have a painting. She said she bought that painting in a swap shop. Right? You know the swap shop.
Yeah.
But she get it in a nice frame. Beautiful frame. Frame around 3 inch. So nice. And she said to me, Andy, I want you to, after I finish the painting which I have to do, she said, I want you to use this frame. I want you to paint out the painting. Just paint out the painting and paint something in this nice, beautiful frame. One of your work in it. When I look at the work, I recognize the work. I'm fine, I say. She have millions in our possession and two things to it. I could take it and paint it. I could say, okay, alright. I'm gonna just take the painting. I'm never do that. Tell her, I said, listen, you can't do that, you know. She said, why? I said, because you have a very important painting, the value of, I'm sorry, how much you pay for it? She said, like, $8. I said, well, this painting value millions, but she never knew. She said, really, you mean value millions? I said, alright. She said, the artist who painted him still alive, but him worth millions. Right, now, work up in the millions. And she like, you played me or something? And I said, no. He said, Google it for yourself. Go and Google everything on Google. Go. And she Googled the artist's name and she nearly dropped down when she see. The moral of our story is that when you say true to yourself and believe in something, you just keep riding it. keep riding, you know?
Yeah.
So, if you're a clean artist, a clean mind person, if it's somebody that is something, even if you're not an artist, why you go and try to carry them down? By saying, oh, that don't look good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because in the end of the day, if my art never clean as an artist, what do you think I'm gonna do? But I take it, you know? Don't.
Yeah, definitely.
You want me to take it and do it with it?
And sell it.
Exactly.
You educate her to know that she don't know the value of what she have.
You don't know the value. So it's just like a page now, it's YouTube page. You maybe don't know the value right now, but somebody out there I see that know the value. Somebody out there right now as we are speak, I Google it, where I watch it, and I say, Google that first. And then I Google it. Maybe somebody will have a page too. A
Yeah.
YouTube page where I do blogging and I do all type of thing. And I say, Jesus, couldn't me a guy there paying something about it? You get the message?
Yeah.
There's
Because
all
true,
about who knows.
my channel is not a big channel, so I
Right.
say this guy is not popular, so it should be on a more popular channel. But,
Channel. Like
yeah.
even my channel.
Yeah, but I will get there one day, you know.
Yeah, so just I show you, so just keep pressure on way.
As I said, this is the first time going live. I don't really understand much what to do, but well, let's try it. The first time,
Yeah, I put something out there, man.
yeah. So,
Just I put something anytime, anywhere pop off, it pop off.
so
Jamaican term.
in the long run, I will sit back and watch it, see where I go wrong. You see me? Other watchers and viewers will tell me what I did wrong, you know. But
Yeah,
I try. Yeah, I try.
Learn, huh?
Because this artist is my friend, like family. We go together. So see him
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
his work. I always, from ever since I admire his work. So I say, hey, you can go live. Try I give you all access. Go live. So I go live. So I don't know. I just go live. So what should I say? What should I do? I don't know. I just go live.
You can get the light brighter.
No, it's going down. Yeah, can get the next battery. Yeah, forgive me a quick minute.
No, man, you know what?
I'll change it
You
quickly.
can't get it brighter.
No, I have a next battery, yes. Alright, just changing this battery quickly. That's how quick I am.
No, sir. Somebody have flash garden.
That's my work.
Bro, they want to see real flash. Real flash.
Yeah, I have my tools, man.
Somebody have real flash, brother. You need real flash because you can do it well.
Yeah, so giving a shout out to all the viewers out there. Yeah, this is Andy Valentine going live in Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, this is live work, you know. world-known artists. YouTube and the Valentine. And you see who we're talking about. It's a flash thing.
What's this? Yeah, I never see that yet. I got me now like black boots. No, movie. I don't miss it. Black movie. Sweet piece of girl, girl.
So you see I got fat the jaw. Man, this is some serious work here, you know. Should I zoom the face alone, like the one face? Feel like a close up.
Yeah, man, anything that zoom in on the people so I go. See how the people and so I go.
Alright, this is too much.
I'm ready for exclusive work and know the channel to find it.
Oh, and with this I'm using my Samsung 9 Plus to do this video in, so it might not be the best of video quality, and I know the 10 is coming out soon, but I'm at the 9. That's what I can do. I could afford. The 10 is just getting out now, so good luck to all you guys with the 10. Supposed to do a better job.
You know, if you have a 10, but I know you have one of your greatest artists, man, trust me.
But you want the video quality the best quality, you know?
Come on, you never good like this, so.
True.
Things take time.
Do you have some professional viewers say, oh, I don't like the quality of this, I'm just using my Samsung 4, my Samsung 9 Plus. That's what I have, that's what I use.
But me that tell people say never born like great. That's how you can.
I'll be getting collecting my camera soon, which is the Panasonic. What is it again? GH5. Something like that, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Well, they have the Canon, but the Canon 750D, 750D. Yeah, but it's good with picture, but not video. But it could do a good job with picture in the day, but not in the night.
Remember that
yeah, because things take some time to manifest. Some people think manifest quicker than some, you know, based on their fan base and
couple years from now, I just watch here. Couple years from now, Sony I call them. Yes, I know Sony I married from here. Netflix. Try to kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
And him still ling? The ear shiny though. Okay. You look at baby ear them.
Up here, them do not start put on them.
Oh. So you got different layers.
Yeah, start put on them, top here, different things on them. Follow me, go mix. Don't forget that. Maybe go blame it. Benjamin Bright.
I feel skewed though.
You know, don't anything like that, as I say.
I know.
She said, do what I do.
Wanting more details from the film.
She said, do what I want to do. Yeah. Start proper. Just a rave.
Talk about it.
Yeah.
It's need a makeup today. So when you go live, you have a certain limit. This is the thing I do. I never go live before. If it have like a certain time, I need to cut it off or what. I don't know how it work. Then again, it's a YouTube. We don't know about YouTube, so yeah, that's really hard.
No, live. When you go live, you know. stop when you feel like. So like how you do a YouTube, you can just give them
Mm.
so like how you do a YouTube, you can just give them a PS.
Piece of what?
Just give them a PS, like, you know, so it's more coin, more, whatever. You see, there's some little things in a painting in the way.
Yeah.
It make the painting, no matter where you are going. And you see, I alone make the painting. Make it think that right, make it.
The
And you see where
details.
you see me put this on the board, you see make a difference.
Yeah.
There's certain marks, mark in a painting that you have to find and put. Everybody paint. There's certain thing where you have to find. You can get him a little piece on Facebook.
Like introduce them to it.
Yeah, you can get him a little piece on Facebook. You know, access you get to do everything. So yes,
How about me that fee? So stop this. What you can do two like one time.
see, even a photographer,
Yeah.
certain thing, and a photograph make me know it. Just me know
But
the
shades,
human
yeah,
body.
yeah.
Photograph now, photograph flat. But you get that solidity like big clear. This is that is me put in the photograph now.
Yeah. Yeah, the female are even up but now with the man.
Tell you the thing from the image I watch it. I make us more important. Send a thing from here and when I watch it, you see how important this way I do.
Yeah.
nothing I have to put one in there. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to see that sheet?
Yep.
Nothing.
Been talking more in that now. Yeah. Up. Look, no man, just move slowly. Up. Right, that's on. Yeah.
Nothing I have to put one on it, you know. But because, you know, you see, photograph.
Yeah, me want to see it. I do read this, so let me tell you what details more happen. The lens.
Oh, you want to see me?
Yeah. My favorite part of thing them the word there.
See what you see what I show? You want to see properly in lens.
Yeah. Those are the interesting thing I like, you know.
See, you see, girl?
Yep.
Here we go. I'll put on the boss lens and all because it's okay. Ready? Ready?
Yes, sir. He told me yesterday that this glasses haven't having any lens. He's gonna put the lens in now. So let's see. That's just the frame on the face. They gotta put in the lens, which is a glass. But, that's better, right? The shut on. Yeah, because I know shut in. Shut in, you know.
Okay. Next glasses now. Trip tweet. call hard up.
Yeah.
And then paint that give some nice mix, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you're measurement.
Yeah. Balance the word.
Explain it to you, like you can sometimes explain it to you.
Okay, understand.
You can give you a photograph and everything. And sometimes you don't understand the photograph and then video. Photograph is a thing with other.
Anything it see, that's what it.
Yeah, the camera adapts sometimes. So it necessarily mean that you see. So we as artists now, we both.
And many times the camera don't give up the real color.
The camera don't get
If you use three different camera, three different texture, you get. And then there's the question of which one is right, which one is correct.
sometimes the camera show you off, you know. You see, even a man, even
The picture is not super clear. That's just say
basically, you know.
mm-hmm.
Buy that, you know. See, man?
Yeah.
And zoning. So I'm sitting on it. So the shadow of the grass. Alright, tell you something about painting. It's all about light and dark.
Okay.
It don't really matter what color you use. Go along with the one thing.
Yeah.
Light,
Dark.
and then the wave. And that one,
Yeah. Eyebrow.
dark. Then you have to think, you have to paint it.
Hmm?
Then you have to think your own painting. Something big. Or do the painting depths. See?
Yeah. Can just get up. shave line up. Can't stop this now, right? Well, I'm going offline now, so I'm learning about this going live thing, so I'll do some more research and give you a follow-up. Thank you all for watching.